of kindergarten, Mrs. Judiva P. Panigsaro, our ever-dynamic president of Upland Elementary School, Miss Velma, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all. It is indeed a great pride and honor to deliver a speech on behalf of the kindergarten completers for the school year 2023-2024. We are delighted to have been completed our preschool and Upland Elementary School, where our efforts are not just rewarded but also encouraged. We have been given a great foundation in education and social activities that have prepared us to face challenges as we start a new beginning in grade school. We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our beloved kindergarten teachers for the knowledge that you have given us and the lessons that you have shared with us. Thank you is not enough for guiding us all the way and teaching us how to read, write, count, and memorize things, learning advance especially to become a better individual. Indeed, it was a memorable experience. Thank you for doing a great job that led us to the finish line of our kindergarten journey. Salute to all of you. To our loving parents, thank you for all the support and sacrifices through all this year. We really appreciate the efforts and conditional love that you've given to us. Thank you for working hard to lead us better education. We love you all. And most of all, to our Almighty God, thank you for the strength, good health, and love from our parents and teachers that help us make this day possible. Congratulations. Thank you very much, and to God be all the glory.